Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to transfer crypto from Gate.io to Trust Wallet. So first you have to launch Gate.io mobile application and then just log into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, then here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you have the option of assets, click on it. Then this page will pop up on your screen. Here you have the option of withdraw, click on it. Here we are going to select with cryptocurrency we want to send to our Trust Wallet. You can select from any of these options. Here I am going to go ahead and select a Bitcoin. Once you select coin, then this page will pop up. Here you need to choose withdrawal method. I just click on on-chain withdrawal. Then you are here on this type of page. So here what you need to do, just enter the address. So for entering address, what you need to do, open Trust Wallet on your mobile phone. Then here first I select the network, so just click on this arrow button at the option of select network. Then this page will pop up. Here you have two options, select any of them by your own choice. So here I select BTC, BRC20, first one. Once you select the network, then you need to select address. So for entering address here, you need to open Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Once you open Trust Wallet app on your mobile phone, then just log into your account. Now on the home page, you have the option of receive, click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here click on BTC which you have already selected in Gate.io. Then here this type of address and code will appear. You find the option of copy, just click on it. Now come back to Gate.io and paste that link which you had copied. Here you have the option of quantity, just enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And you have to enter the amount in BTC. And you can see receive amount here, and you can see that a fee is 0% for 0.001 BTC. Once you done all these steps, then at the bottom you have the option of next. Once you click on it, you can see you can easily transfer crypto from Gate.io to Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.